Hello friends, welcome back to automationtestinginsider.com. So in continuation with previous video, today I picked some more string related problems and will solve using SQL. Okay, we'll write the SQL queries. So these are the different problems, guys. So let's get started with the first, and at last we'll talk about this distinct keyword as well. Okay, so let me pick the first problem. Get all employee detail from employee detail table whose first name not start with any single character between A and P. So if you remember, in the last time, in the last video we talked about, we have seen like how to retrieve the employees the first name whose character between A and P. This time it should not start with A and P. So how to write? So this is our table employee detail. So these are the records. We have 12 records. So let me simply write the query for the first question. Select start from employee detail, where first name like, which should not start between A and P. So we know this represents a single character and it should not starts with A and P. So how to negate this? Because this, if you remember last time we have written like this, right? A and P, and then at the end we have written like percentage. So this will retrieve the employees which whose first name starts with A and between A and P. So this is what we have written. Now simply what we'll put which does not start with A and P. So simply we'll put caret symbol over here like this. So this will give me 3 more results. We have total 12 records in employee detail, and out of 12, 9 records which starts with between A and P, and these are the 3 letters, 3 employees whose first name does not start with letter between A and P. Second question. So get all employee detail from employee detail table whose gender end with LE and contain 4 letters. So this is also very simple. Select start from employee detail where gender like. So from employee table whose gender end with LE contain 4 letters. So we know this underscore represents single character. So we can write like this 1, 2 and LE which ends with LE. So we'll write 2 underscore over here, and this LE ends with LE. So this will give me results. All the LE means male, right? Male or female, we have 2 genders. So here we'll get LE which has 4 letters, right? MALE. What is the next? Get all employee detail from employee detail table whose first name starts with F and contain 5 letters. Whose first name starts with F and contain 5 letters. Simply will copy like this. Whose first name starts with F and contain 5 letters. So how do we write? First name like starts with F and contains 5 letters means we'll put 4 underscore 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will give me the result. So here we have Frank, which is 5 letters first name which starts with F. Get all employee detail from employee detail table whose first name containing this percent symbol. For example, in first name it contains like this ampersand, this percent symbol. The name should be like this. Okay, So we want those kind of names. So how do we write the query for this? So simply what we'll write, select star from employee detail where first name like in single quotation and this denotes single characters, right? And what we'll write inside that, we'll write %, and it could be in the middle, it could be at the beginning. So what we'll write, we'll put 2 more ampersand here, and at last 1 more. So we don't have this ampersand this percent contains in our first name, so this should give 0 results, but the answer of this question would be this. Okay, hope you understand this, because this bracket denotes single character. So inside that we put this % symbol and before symbol and after symbol, because it may start with this % symbol, or it may have some other characters in the beginning or maybe at the end. So we can write the query like this. And last, get all unique department from employee detail table. So for that we use distinct keyword. So how do you write? Select distinct and department and from employee detail, right? So we'll write like this. I think I have written some theory for this distinct keyword. So distinct keyword, to select distinct statement, the select distinct statement is used to return only distinct different values. The SQL distinct keyword is used to conjunction with select statement to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetching only unique records. So it will fetch only unique records from the particular column. So in this employee detail table we have, I'll show you here, we have different departments like IT, HR, admin, ICT. There are 4 departments. Here you can see it is repeatable: HR, ICT, IT, admin, IT, HR. So this is used to get the unique records. So select distinct keyword and name of the column afterwards. Select distinct department from employee detail. So let me execute this. So here you can see admin, HR, ICT and IT. And simply what you can do, you can count the these unique records as well, like how many unique records. So how do you count? Select count. Inside that we'll put this distinct department from employee detail. So this is simply, you can count number of unique records, 4. You can put alias as well, like unique department, unique number of unique department, like this. Number of unique department 4. So this is how you can use distinct keyword. This count is to count the number of distinct departments from employee detail table. So this is all about today, guys, about distinct keyword. So we'll have some more queries in the next video. So if you like this video, then please like this video and share among your friends, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.